Hello, this is Degree Solution, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Python 3 and Python 3 PIP. I will use the Python PIP in order to install the packages like numpy or pandas. So first of all, open your terminal and let's zoom it, and then type sudo apt-get install Python 3 to install the Python 3 in your Ubuntu system. So as it says, Python 3 is already the newest version in my system, so I don't need to reinstall it again. So the next command I will go for is sudo apt-get install Python 3 -pip in order to install the Python PIP package. So type Y and it will install the Python setup tools. So just have a patience till it install the Python PIP. So it has already finished installing the Python 3 PIP. So in order to install the numpy or pandas package in your Ubuntu machine using the Python PIP, you just have to type Python 3 -pip install numpy pandas, hit enter. Sorry, it's for the Python PIP3, it's PIP3 install numpy pandas. So it has now collecting the numpy packages, and now it has started downloading the pandas. So in this it has installed numpy and pandas along with the Python date util, PyDJ and 6 version which is required. So in this video I have shown you how to install Python 3 and Python 3 PIP, and using the Python PIP3, that is command pip3 space install space your package name, that is numpy, pandas, matplotlib, sklearn, it can be anything. So thank you for watching. If this video was beneficial for you, please do subscribe our channel and hit like this video. Thank you for watching.